sails up. We're sailing. I think we, okay.
Good morning, everybody. This morning, our project for today is cleaning out
Apparently Mike's project.
and seeing what is in the storage compartments on the boat. So, we've cleaned out the one compartment, and there was a lot of crapola in this thing. And this is just one of them. So Mike's going to try to clean that out a little bit. Why? That's the way we are. Because I know it'll get dirty again. So does he. And it fits. And if he crawls in there, I can close that thing up, and he's going.
Where did he go?
Where'd he go?
What a mess. Yep.
So yeah, some of this stuff we're not quite sure what it is, but well, we're putting it in a bucket to keep it just in case. Because as soon as you throw it away, you're gonna go, I think I needed something like that.
I know what that is now.
Yeah.
On the boat. On Fishy Fishy.
Yep, on Fishy Fishy.
Just thought we would show everybody our gourmet lunch that we're having today.
Yep. It's a gorgeous day out here.
Yes, it is. Charleston has done us right today.
Yes, it has.
Anyway, talk to you later.
Ciao, ciao. Okay, we're out and about again. Just kind of showing you. We did make it off the dock again. We were wanting to film it at some point in time to come off the dock, but
We're a little scared.
We're a little scared, and we need to concentrate more on the dock than
Yes.
anything else. So, but Mike did awesome today. We got off the dock really well.
But a beautiful day.
Yep.
Very nice. We're going to attempt to sail a little bit, put up the sail again. Hopefully it goes up correct this time.
Yep. We tested it out last night, I think, as we showed you, and it went up, and so we're going to try it now on the water.
Yes. Try to do this. We're excited. Still a little nervous.
Yeah. So it is a Monday, so there is not as many boats out here, which is really nice. So we're able to play a little bit, I guess you could say, and figure out things more than we could yesterday, which is good. So, well, as soon as we get the sails out, we will let you know. Bye.
Bye.
Yes.
It's
sailing.
It's sailing.
This is awesome.
We're sailing.
Woohoo! Yay! Officially sailing. There is no motor on.
There is no motor.
It just sounds
not
beautiful
motoring.
out here.
Is it
No
not?
sound whatsoever, just the sound of the waves.
Very nice.
Yep.
Look at that.
That is so awesome.
So much fun.
Yay!
This is cool.
Oh, this is so awesome.
I can't believe this. This is awesome. Light wind, it's okay. It's great for us learning.
Right, we're doing good.
But the motor is off and we're just
Sailing.
slow boating around. There is Sullivan's Island over there. Cooper River Bridge. This is what it's about.
And straight ahead is the Fort Sumter.
It should keep on going.
But it's still awesome.
I know.
Learning curve, man, learning curve.
That's right. Look at that sailboat way out there. that's got a bunch of sails.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. We're at 60 on this side.
Okay.
And it's away from us in here. And we're at 31 feet of water, so we're good.
Yep.
Now, if we stay on this course, we'll keep turning that way.
Well, eventually it will, but we'll want to.
Gotcha. We'll tack again.
But we'll begin to straighten it out once it gets over in here.
Okay. Once it gets to 90 again. But this has been awesome.
This yes. This was much better than yesterday.
Oh my goodness, yeah. We would not have been able to do this with all of the people out here yesterday at all.
And the sail not going all the way up.
I know. Yeah. Hopefully we did good. Last night we found out there were these little itty bitty fighting things that we think were on the sail.
Hopefully they are gone.
Isn't this just awesome?
This is so cool. Sails up.
Yep.
Should. Sails up.
Sail is all the way up. And it's just gorgeous out here today. Couldn't ask for a better day.
8 knots of wind.
Fantastic.
And we're cruising along at 3.3 knots. I am fine with this right now.
We're good with that, yeah.
Definitely got some things to learn, but we're doing it.
Slowly but surely.
Yep.
So,
All right.
okay, we'll talk with y'all later.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao. Where?
Right here.
Where?
Port side. Right there.
We've got some dolphins that are like right here on the boat with us. And of course now they won't come up. Oh man.
Literally right there.
I know. That's always the way, isn't it?
Yep.
I'm going to turn the camera off and it's going to come up out of the water. There it is. Well, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
We've
It's a beautiful day in Charleston.
Yep. Yeah, it's definitely a beautiful day today. Here's from the cockpit, you can see. We are unfortunately putting all of our stuff together as we have to go back to that awful word, working world.
The real life.
I gotta pull up my anchor apparently.
Yes.
I'm determined to be anchor free, but that anchor's just sticking with me. But we were able to get the sail all covered. Didn't take as long as we thought. We did a pretty good job, if we do say so ourselves.
Found some more water leaks.
Yep.
We'll deal with that next
water
time.
leaks. But that's okay. Found paperwork to tell us about the boat, so
The water leaks seem to be our major issue.
yes, they do.
So
We fix one, and then there's another someplace else.
So we'll keep looking and finding them and fixing them and slowly. But we have water,
We have water.
which we didn't have any water before.
Exactly. So I'm not complaining.
Now we have water and that's coming.
And then when we have
It's
water,
coming
then we
from
have
everywhere.
leaks. Yeah. So we run the water, then we got the leaks coming in. But we have water. More than we want sometimes.
So then we still have to attack the heater and air conditioner. It doesn't work either. So projects.
But
we had a blast out
Yeah.
sailing yesterday for a little bit.
Yep.
Easy and slow and figuring things out.
I'm ready to go today, but unfortunately I don't think that's going to be in our cards.
Yeah, we gotta.
Go home to our doggy Abu. I know he misses us.
Yes.
So.
But we've had fun.
We
It's been a
have.
blast.
Yep. So until next time, ciao ciao.
See ya.